Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily sign up and get started with Exness account. First of all, launch open any web browser on your device and go to the URL box and type in exness.com and search. Once you do, you'll end up in the official homepage of Exness, where you'll need to go to the top right corner and tap on the register button. You'll then end up in this create an account tab, where you'll need to choose your country from the first drop down. Now head over to the next field and enter a valid email address. Once done, head over to the password box and create a password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password, including the criteria given below the password box. If you've got a referral code, click the partner code drop-down and enter the code in the text box. And finally, check this little box at the bottom to declare that you are not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purpose. Finally, click register. You can choose this process that I just mentioned, or if you want to create an account with Google, you can directly choose the Google option before entering any credentials. Finally, after clicking register, on the next page you can choose whether you'd like to start up with a real account or demo account. If you are new to trading, you can select the demo account option. If you choose demo account, then you can start trading without risking real money. It is usually used for practicing. But if you're familiar with trading and you have no problem using real money, you can choose the real account option. I'm just gonna select demo for now. And right after you do that, you have successfully signed up or created a new account on Exness. And that's it, you are all set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.